Nagabenta ke khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Sir, for the last 10 years, this government has come in power. I'm a Christian. I could understand the insecurity amongst the Christians. Be it at any time, whatever functions happens, the Christians are at the receiving end. One of the issues, for example, in Manipur also, more than 300 churches has been burnt, demolished. And people, more than 500 pastors, nuns, and priests has been arrested for silly cases. This is the problem. This is the fate of the Christians. There's an increase of almost 200% in terms of harassment to the Christians for the last 5 years. Recently, if you've seen in social media and the news, we always feel proud that the Ram Mandir celebration has been done as a Christians. But if you see, the same time, people used to put flags in the churches on top of the statue of Christ in many churches in India. So it's an insult for the Christians. Christians are only 2.3 or 2.5%. They have contributed a lot in terms of capacity building and education building, or the nation building in terms of education and social works. But the way the treatment they have got from the central government and the respective state government run by the BJP, it's really a harassment, and the social boycott in many incidents against the Christians is a concern for all of us. Therefore, I demand from the government that the safety of the minority, safety of the Christians should be taken care, and until unless we consider, until unless every citizen has the right to worship, has the right to live, I think the progress of India will be hampered.